We're thrilled to have you here. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of woodworking and handmade crafts. Whether you're an avid woodworker, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about the art of creating beautiful pieces from wood, you'll find a wealth of inspiration and knowledge here. We're dedicated to sharing our passion for craftsmanship with you. Your presence means a lot to us, and we hope you enjoy exploring the content we've carefully curated just for you. If you're new to our channel, we invite you to subscribe and join our growing community. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and never miss an opportunity to learn and grow in your woodworking journey. We're committed to delivering high-quality content that resonates with both beginners and seasoned artisans alike. Your support not only motivates us to continue creating, but also helps us connect with more people who share our passion. So, hit that subscribe button and become a part of our creative family today. We truly appreciate your support. If you enjoy our videos, please take a moment to like and share them with your friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. We put a lot of time, effort, and resources into preparing each video to ensure you receive the best possible content. Your likes and shares help us reach a wider audience and inspire others to dive into the world of woodworking. Thank you for being with us on this journey, and we can't wait to share more exciting projects and ideas with you. Woodworking for profit. Woodworking is a unique blend of artistry and craftsmanship that allows individuals to create functional and aesthetic pieces from wood. In recent years, the demand for handmade goods has surged, with consumers increasingly seeking unique items that reflect their personal style. This shift presents a lucrative opportunity for woodworkers to turn their passion into a profitable business. However, success in this field requires not only skill in woodworking, but also a solid understanding of the market, effective marketing strategies, and the ability to connect with customers. Choosing your niche. Selecting a niche is crucial for distinguishing your products in a competitive marketplace. Start by evaluating your own preferences and strengths. Do you gravitate towards rustic, modern, or traditional designs? Understanding your aesthetic will guide your creations. Moreover, consider the functionality of your products. Items that solve specific problems or cater to particular needs, like space-saving furniture or decor that doubles as storage, can have a broader appeal. Identifying your target audience is equally important. Research their demographics, interests, and buying behaviors to tailor your offerings effectively. Small furniture. Creating small furniture pieces can be both rewarding and profitable. Miniature tables, such as side tables or coffee tables, can be designed to fit into various home aesthetics, making them versatile for different consumers. Consider experimenting with unique shapes or mixed materials to catch the eye. Stools and benches are another excellent option. They can serve multiple purposes and appeal to customers in urban settings where space is limited. Finally, modular shelving units can provide functional and stylish storage solutions, especially if designed with customizable features that allow buyers to personalize their setups. Decor pieces. In addition to furniture, crafting decorative items can attract a diverse customer base. Wooden signs that feature personalized messages or quotes have become increasingly popular, especially for home decor or business branding. Using techniques like stenciling or pyrography can enhance the uniqueness of each piece. Picture frames are another excellent project. By offering a variety of sizes and styles, you can cater to different tastes. Incorporating distinctive finishes or intricate carvings can make your frame stand out. Lastly, candle holders in various designs can appeal to home decor enthusiasts, especially if they are offered in sets that provide a cohesive look. Materials and tools. The quality of materials and tools you choose directly affects the outcome of your projects. Opt for durable hardwoods like oak, walnut, or maple to ensure your products are both beautiful and long-lasting. Reclaimed wood can add character and appeal to eco-conscious consumers. As for tools, investing in high-quality equipment is essential for precision and efficiency. Key tools include a miter saw or jigsaw for cutting, drills for assembly, sanders for finishing, and a variety of wood stains and sealants to enhance your pieces. Having the right tools will not only improve the quality of your work, but also streamline your crafting process. Crafting process. Establishing a systematic approach to your crafting process is vital for maintaining quality and efficiency. Begin with design sketches or digital renderings to clarify your vision. Preparation is key. Gather all necessary materials and tools before starting to minimize interruptions. When cutting and assembling, attention to detail is crucial to ensure that all pieces fit together seamlessly. Use wood glue and screws for sturdy construction. Finally, finishing touches are essential. Sand all surfaces thoroughly and apply your chosen finish, allowing adequate drying time to ensure durability. A well-organized process will lead to better results and a more enjoyable crafting experience. Pricing your products. Setting the right price for your products is crucial for ensuring profitability while remaining competitive. Begin by conducting a thorough analysis of your costs, including materials, labor, and overhead expenses. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your total costs before pricing your items. Research similar products in the market to gauge appropriate price ranges. A good pricing strategy often involves using a formula: total cost, material plus labor plus overhead, multiplied by a markup percentage. This approach ensures that you cover your costs while earning a reasonable profit, allowing your business to thrive. Creating your brand. A strong brand identity can significantly enhance your visibility and appeal to customers. Start by developing a memorable brand name that reflects your style and the essence of your products. A well-designed logo is crucial for visual recognition. Consider hiring a designer if necessary. Your branding should maintain consistency across all platforms, including product labels, packaging, and marketing materials. This cohesive branding strategy helps create a professional image and fosters trust with potential customers, making them more likely to choose your products over competitors. Photography for marketing. High-quality photography is essential for effectively marketing your products, especially in an online marketplace. Use natural light to avoid harsh shadows and highlight the true colors and textures of the wood. Choose simple, uncluttered backgrounds that allow your products to stand out. Capture multiple angles of each item, including close-ups of unique features or craftsmanship details. Lifestyle images that show your products in real-life settings can help potential buyers envision how they would look in their own homes. Investing time in quality photography can significantly impact your sales and customer engagement. Social media marketing. Leveraging social media platforms is an effective way to build a following and promote your woodworking business. Regularly post engaging content that showcases your products, shares behind-the-scenes insights, and highlights your woodworking journey. Engaging with your audience is crucial. Respond to comments, answer questions, and create conversations around your craft. Utilizing relevant hashtags can broaden your reach, making it easier for potential customers to discover your work. Social media is not just a marketing tool. It's also a platform for building relationships with your audience and fostering a loyal community. Building an online store. Creating an online store is essential for reaching a broader audience and facilitating sales. Platforms like Etsy are ideal for showcasing handmade goods, as they attract a built-in audience of buyers looking for unique items. For more customization, consider Shopify, which allows you to create a fully branded online store with various payment options. WooCommerce is another option if you already have a website, enabling you to integrate an online shop without relying on third-party platforms. Regardless of the platform you choose, ensure that your listings are optimized with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords to enhance visibility. Local markets and craft fairs. Participating in local markets and craft fairs offers valuable opportunities to connect with potential customers. These events allow you to showcase your products in person, enabling customers to see the quality of your work firsthand. Design an attractive booth that reflects your brand. Use clear signage and well-organized displays to capture attention. Engaging with visitors is essential. Be approachable, share your story, and explain the craftsmanship behind your pieces. Having various payment options available, including cash and mobile payments, can facilitate sales and enhance customer satisfaction. Collaborations with local businesses. Partnering with local businesses can expand your reach and introduce your products to new audiences. Consider approaching boutiques or home decor stores that align with your aesthetic to carry your items. Consignment agreements can be a mutually beneficial arrangement, allowing you to display your work without upfront costs. Additionally, collaborating with local cafes or restaurants can provide exposure. These venues often appreciate unique decor that enhances their ambience, offering you a platform to showcase your craftsmanship while attracting potential customers. Email marketing. Building an email list is a vital component of customer engagement and retention. Start by offering incentives, such as discounts or exclusive access to new products, to encourage sign-ups. Regular newsletters can keep your audience informed about new offerings, special promotions, and upcoming events. Personalization is key. Segment your email list to target specific customer preferences or past purchases, increasing the relevance of your communications. Engaging content and consistent outreach can foster loyalty and encourage repeat business. Customer engagement and feedback. Engaging with your customers and soliciting feedback is crucial for building a loyal customer base. Encourage customers to leave reviews after their purchases, as positive feedback enhances credibility and attracts new buyers. Actively respond to inquiries and concerns, demonstrating that you value customer input and satisfaction. Consider offering small incentives for customers who provide reviews or share their experiences on social media. This engagement not only fosters loyalty, but can also create a community around your brand, encouraging word-of-mouth referrals. Packaging and presentation. The way you package your product significantly impacts the customer experience. Invest in quality packaging that reflects your brand identity. Consider using custom boxes, eco-friendly materials, or branded labels to enhance perceived value. Thoughtful presentation can elevate the unboxing experience, encouraging customers to share their purchases on social media. Including a thank you note or care instructions adds a personal touch that can leave a lasting impression. High-quality packaging not only protects your products during shipping, but also reinforces your brand's commitment to quality. Seasonal products. Creating seasonal items can capitalize on heightened consumer interest during specific times of the year. Consider designing products tailored for holidays, such as festive decorations for Christmas or themed decor for Halloween. Seasonal promotions can attract buyers looking for unique items to celebrate special occasions. Start marketing these products in advance through social media and email campaigns, emphasizing their limited time availability to create urgency. By aligning your offerings with seasonal trends, you can boost sales and attract new customers. Workshops and classes. Offering workshops can create additional revenue streams while fostering community engagement. If you enjoy teaching, consider hosting woodworking classes where participants can learn skills and create their own projects. Promote these workshops through social media, local community boards, and your email list. Workshops not only generate income, but also help build relationships with customers who may later purchase your products. Sharing your expertise and passion for woodworking can inspire others while expanding your brand. Sustainability practices. Incorporating sustainability into your business practices can attract environmentally conscious consumers. Use reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials to craft your products, emphasizing these eco-friendly choices in your marketing. Employing sustainable techniques, such as efficient cutting methods that minimize waste, can also enhance your brand's appeal. Highlighting your commitment to sustainability can resonate with customers who prioritize ethical consumption, positioning your business as a responsible choice in the woodworking market. Networking with other artisans. Networking with fellow artisans can lead to valuable collaborations and opportunities for growth. Join local artisan groups, woodworking clubs, or online communities to connect with other woodworkers. Attend workshops, trade shows, or industry events to expand your network and gain insights from peers. Sharing experiences, tips, and resources can foster a sense of community and support, ultimately benefiting your business. Collaborative efforts, such as joint marketing campaigns or events, can also enhance visibility and attract new customers. Understanding your target market. Gaining a deep understanding of your target market is crucial for tailoring your products and marketing strategies effectively. Conduct thorough market research to identify your customers' demographics, preferences, and buying behaviors. Consider creating customer personas that encapsulate the characteristics of your ideal buyers. This information will guide your product development, marketing messages, and overall business strategies, ensuring that your offerings resonate with the right audience. Utilizing online marketplaces. Exploring various online marketplaces can broaden your customer base and increase sales opportunities. In addition to Etsy, consider platforms like Amazon Handmade, which caters to a wide audience seeking unique products. Facebook Marketplace is another avenue for local selling, allowing you to reach customers in your area. Ensure that your listings are optimized with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords to enhance discoverability. By diversifying your selling platforms, you can maximize your reach and attract a wider audience. Creating a portfolio. Developing a well-organized portfolio is essential for showcasing your skills and attracting potential clients. Include high-quality images of your best work, highlighting various styles and techniques. Provide detailed descriptions that explain the inspiration behind each piece, materials used, and any unique features. A strong portfolio can serve as a valuable resource for potential buyers, helping them understand your craftsmanship and aesthetic. Consider updating your portfolio regularly to reflect your latest projects and innovations. SEO for online listings. Implementing effective search engine optimization (SEO) strategies can significantly enhance your online visibility. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant terms that potential customers might use to find your products. Incorporate these keywords into your product titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search rankings. Additionally, creating valuable content, such as blog posts or guides related to woodworking, can drive traffic to your website and establish your authority in the field. Prioritizing SEO can help attract organic traffic and increase sales. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers in the home decor or DIY niches can amplify your brand's reach and credibility. Identify influencers whose audience aligns with your target market and approach them with a proposal for collaboration. Offering products for review or featuring them in their content can generate interest and drive traffic to your shop. Influencers can provide authentic endorsements that resonate with their followers, making them a powerful tool for expanding your customer base. Utilizing video content. Incorporating video content into your marketing strategy can engage audiences and showcase your products effectively. Create videos that highlight your crafting process, demonstrating the skill and care that goes into each piece. Product demonstrations that show your items in use can help potential customers visualize them in their own spaces. Share these videos on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube to reach a wider audience. Engaging video content can enhance your brand's storytelling and foster a deeper connection with your audience. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring, and that it sparked your creativity as you explore the world of woodworking. If you enjoyed what you saw, we would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to create high-quality content that we are passionate about. Sharing this video with your friends and fellow crafting enthusiasts is another fantastic way to support us. It allows our community to grow and connect with more people who love woodworking as much as we do. We are committed to bringing you more exciting projects, tips, and tutorials, and your engagement is what drives us to keep improving and delivering the best content possible. Thank you once again for being part of our journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.